Abusuya Endra John Dramani Mahama ebe din komo e fa Ghana ye natural resources ayewo eye e former goodie abrofo no etu a mu bu ye nkwasea yeti ye kuromu na abrofo ebu ye nkwasea ewe ye kuromu eno na John Dramani Mahama say ono de onti ase enti eye Burkina Faso president eye Ibrahim Traore ne this is not oteki ye no enu bia na John Dramani Mahama ono nso opeso oteki na opamo abrofo no efri eye Ghana ye yasase ne so na Ghana fo ankasa ye take control na ya yetu ya ade abusia meje di say eye good idea na John Dramani Mahama o make no because o hwe Burkina Faso omo ankasa etu omu gold no ohu niema omo ye omu kurom enti say John Dramani Mahama ono nso follow that decision ono nso take a I hope say ebeboa Ghana yemfa politics ento aside na yenka nokre ebeboa Ghana because Ghana ye were technicians for our Ghana omo betumi atu gold no okọ Pristia ene western of omo betumi aye adwuma no enti se ne John Dramani Mahama all kano abusunya ye getumu pa onye ne sa eba ne sa no so eye Sadiq Adams ono so abebe di nkomo achiechire enyema bi e was John Dramani Mahama oyanka ebeboa na abusunya before say ebekwa kotie eye Sadiq Adams na the way we see boy mu ewo gold any natural resources sensem na aba no meso so be subscribe na wa share ma afoforo nso eden atie bi abusia yenkotie eye sene eye Sadiq Adams ono nso oboye mu ewo ye natural resources a ye wa ablofo na eden edo omunsa atoso no yenkotie ewo this side emra
that so ko abruchire ko twitwi toilet so sebi masses o enye nipa mienu miensa Omaya ye too gold. Yen ye fab desert so escape our minor. A land with gold, oil, timber, bauxite, manganese, lithium, oil. And a list of them. A country like that. A Nanti desert. So people are fleeing that country. Can you imagine? So I was asking a question the other day, and now exactly 2 months, and now 1 month, 3 weeks, I'm here as our topic, and I say, can you imagine Dubai with Ghana's resources? Now Dubai for now more desert and so baha. Dubai where resources in Libya. Baha. Can you imagine an European country that be America say London more money gold. Say London gold do hanko mahu. Omukro ni na to form a train nam ho nko mu tunu ko mbe hu bi. Bi ni ho. And so more gold reserves every ha. Enti asama meka na dan say mpanyifo bi di omano atum yamfa politics in tonchen na me seti example aye adwuma se president bi aba Africa friend Magafuli or Tanzania oba odi buga se masa abrofo no ye ni omo enye jojo self government now aye adwuma ema omo chen self government within the shortest possible time entina Kwame Nkrumah ye successful no abrofo ye ni omo nye jojo or the brofo baby tiu entino Magafuli bae no mining company omo Tanzania omo to so be 7th mining ewo Africa Ghana ni edi kan Tanzania for ne say omo ni gold companies oho nyina obi anfa ne contract mra ye ne mo sign ye de ebi mu tu ni 30 years 40 years na mum ye hu se mwa ye na amane ye dia arbitration clause say wo mu ni say mo amutu gold wa ha no mo se assemble ye nkoka na omukurum yen ya sa aseso na mutu gold ba ye ni mu nya asem dia yen koka na omukurum na ogina moa oni akura enya asem a agina moa ne se akura ne mra na omunko ne fie na omunkoka ebe ye yi wudifo a oma wudi bi ma oma enti osisa de ne muntwam arbitration clause no muntwam ye beka no ha ye de ye court ne beka. Secondly, gold na mutu no ma ye be 5%. Enei ye pay 15% minimum. Almost ye doso ye nye semonya amonko. Apart from 15% no, mu to gold we ye crew multi company ni any shares wom enye yesa. Moma ye 16% of shares all gold company moma ye 16% ye shareholder wom. Almost ye to me company was yes ye good. Abrofo no koe. Omoko country BBC ni see na mo terrible stories about yeah investor confidence so hey me won kosi agu me dem wo so beto no 1 cedi me se beto no 5 cedis wo kwa abonte na akwati atia ma say ni obi ameto na minimum ade meti machi edi man nikura da ho enti omodwene ho na mo ka cha abrofo ne se mo pa mo nko me say go and read stories in 2015 bad image omode ma Tanzania. Investors will not go there. The president who has come or cancel contractor, say security of contracts is not guaranteed. BBC, CNN, they wrote a lot of bad stories about Tanzania. President, you know, 3 weeks now, Crawford number say, oh, the amount 12, 16, and was missing 16% share. Kuko, Crawford netia. Hey, the number to me 16%, Amaya and Namoma 3, 4, 5. Yeah, natural resources. Ade amuse mumuni nyansa eni mfidia mudi be 20 ye be 2 amamo. Uganda 40 ye no mo say okay sasa na mo ka dia. Yanso ye oil ne bi. Oil no maka che say ye ntukura da so agu. Enti ene ye betete ye nkro for 50 years amamo hu nyansa ne mfidie na ye betwen monko. Ghana de ba ya hoking crying and na no lithium. Ghana no kotena ase na wo microphone abrofo ma ye 10% omo fa 90%. Minister no so ya de pa se yetimenya ko ye nyini ne enya agimi no wo agudie obi betu 1 2 enyira nipa no say obema 10% waje atum because oni mfidie 13 ahemfo no so yenkotu oncheni kens oncheni tutuntuma oncheni ya nanamo ye sanke ye wuko Tanzania ne, I am proud to say 3 days ago, Magafuli Uko, Omo the gold, no, within 3 years, 4 years, and a ska munya no, Oma ye train ne ukromwa. Tisa Dodoma to Dar es Salaam. Ananke it takes 7 hours by bus, 8 hours. You say Kumasi Accra no, I watch Kumasi Accra, but it takes 7-8 hours by bus, and then a 1 hour train. A corner ba. Omo di go do na tima ye bibia otumu oma ye national airline oma si new airport oma to 10 aircraft for national Tanzania Air. Ghana ye airline is ye ton fufuo wom esi ho ye ntumi go do nso ye gusu aye two companies ba na eba na sansem ya start say monfra mining companies ni nyina o ka lawyer for ni bi omo kasama omo any professor for ntumi nya adwuma and now yes investor their confidence. Dear confidence, Gaddafi muye no dear confidence. Mo de brofu huna ye investor confidence and me say call them negotiate ye pese a review contract no mo na ye ho tre. Senye sa dia eso amonko na no go face dia so wo daman ban ka so renew ye ntokwa be si okruma na me se Ghana se wo ye leader na wa nyef said the Lee Kuan Yew kan ye no wo nkuta iron fist. So we a leader no one found NC wa Ghana for e ma unya de ye long term effect da. Obi to go to 30 years. Obuase almost started to go 1897. Until 1997 100 years of mining. Train you Obuase. This is Tanzania. Speed electric train. Tanzania for new from gold recently 2015 no ye way Dar es Salaam to Dodoma. E wache Kumasi Accra 1 hour. Na she train num krom wonye mamen kan 3 days ago Tanzania for increase your minimum wage. Ghana ha bosome abaya dia atum say bosome akatue so ayemfa ma obi 400 cedis. They say Tanzania dey no 2,700 cedis. Memfa ne sa o dey buy equivalent 500,000 shilling a month. Any emfa ma obi a ni na katue so. O mai bi guru a sa na tie. O mai e guru a say empanyimfo ne ye saade na enura meti asem bi a mani age ye gold no yenye say Ghana company ne betima tu ne nkakra no obema ye 50-50 a na abrofo no bema ye 15 and 10% a ye mfama Ghana company no muntu ne nkakra ma ye 50% of 10,000 is better than so bema 5% of 10,000. Ntumba che say 150 years of mining no yen still ayen tumi nkoto mfidie ne yede ni tuni bi nti omo tu gold wo boase aya fam adwuma amaye adwuma ne 70 years mo na nam ye bi no munim se de esiko asase ase munim se de esi operate adwuma no ene ye tu yesu anyansa ne yeden oil la ye nya na anu yi wo behwe na nipa kakra bi tam minister obesan no wa bobra wie Ghana for home battery and so ni kroma and so dia good for ya bet my supply train on bet my in so kroma and so common here. I then a man for one tree or mona a good dear boo na bruni bar no amount 5%. Trepet na penny trans or sign we are no a sell kun. So wa my or mine 5% of your natural resources. Brunino between benya 95%. Adaya until ominim say indirectly at him the day ye nim yansa ye di tuo. Makoko ato na mintime mwa no ye. Ti obi be boa kusiana no obefa 5 no ama me 1. But my idea se Matthias here because mam watu aba yintime mwa no ye. Ye nim kusia kura. Madua banche abo minim tu. Obi be 2 no mansia or 2 mansia or 2 ne 10 years. Ti da bi o 2 ahoma 10 no ama me 1 no afa 9. Me say ye me maso atoaso sa komo de me de ba Matthias here. Mampanyi Mahama kan se bi enra ma hu se sa akodi akopostu on Twitter say o man a thumbs up na o si revolution na esi wa Africa no ene Burkina for the o maji o mo de 100% o maji 100% o mo start yen so gold no mo na ne yeye de na brofo ni tu no mo na ne no Burkina for so mo tu yo mo se na say de o mo na ne ye na ne yeye nti de ahi biem o mo tu no mo de baso o mo de gujam no ma ni say yeye bi na afa ti 100% eno na ama US phone yo musu wani ti abroni mpe nti tambi opesa wo bon na wugimi eno so ne mpanyimfo no omo pe entesi ai mampanyi Mahama de no ye na no pa na muze sa akodi ade ato ma se nipa bebre mo ye influential forget MPP NDC nationalize our natural resources nationalize it to benefit people of Takwa people of Pristia people of Bogoso people of Akwatia people of Tamale people of Axim. Ombenya oil war. Keep 3 points. Germany need be a documentary say. How many years? Ombehu oil no 2008 Kofo Ebekono. And obey community for no obey or more interview say who oil ha. Misita bi amonko YouTube edaho. Non peso mo block. Ye hu oil ha ye behwe nipa no masetnem. Ne asamba BM 2024 ne abehwe de oil na ya momo ne de compare Dubai omunya oil 5 years there ye momo Ghana de 208 up to now how many years 17 years meboa 17 years 2025 krom hofo no mema no mu ho nyina adwane ko Libya adwuma ni ho ye mfa omo ya je o masase ye sisi akwan na oil so de tise gold no akwa galamsey shark burial uto nsuo numa shark burial enye gold na wakonsa wokwose sabi anwa ne wase ye ndaivo nkofa uto mu a ubewu nti omu nyina agya kuro no ho omu wi ana oil spill no asa gunsuo na ni nsuo na nke mo fish no aku fish ni nyina nti omu adwuma asai ama kuro na bo broni ne sa ba ho biem 2024 kuro na bo kuro na omu nya oil no nkrofo bi so tezeze so Dubai afunu panko na omo de nam omunya oil no omaye one of the biggest airport in the world a commercial hub and Ghana ni we ne rafu wo krom a yesi ubenya a paid trip to Dubai or co desert to akohwe ade efe because of oil ya Jimmy o no crepa niama na ye wo ha ne ye wo oil no omo ni bi enya in quantities omo wo ba ye wo gold omo ni bi say Dubai for neto e gold omo de come reserves Queen Elizabeth what you na na re ho a no wo kwa underground bunker or ko hwe gold reserve omo so too good every kwase for no omo de beba yanyi 10% 15 20 30 50 say ni fidi a de betu a yankoto bi ne emetena ho ntu say ni bia yenyai ne yamfa manchirima dan say e be say yensa ase de amomo no yentie President Mahama na me man thumbs up bi mo say breadru say nya no no ka dia fight na ye fight no mampanyi asombi.
And of course the last thing I want to say before I inflict my speech on you is the issue of leveraging our comparative advantages. The time has come for Africa to unashamedly take advantage of the natural resource endowment that God has given us. In the colonial era, we had colonial masters, we had no say, and so they mined the gold, they took it away, they developed the palm plantations, took the palm oil away, they took the diamonds away, took everything away. And when we gained independence, Nkrumah warned us and said colonialism might have been defeated, but we're entering the era of neo-colonialism. They don't need to bring a governor to sit here, but they still would, from wherever the colonial headquarters is, control your resources and be able to still derive the benefits as if they had colonized you. And that exactly is happening. Post-colonialism, we didn't have technology, we didn't have capital, we didn't have the human resource. And so foreign companies come and take huge concessions and they sign it off for a pittance. And they run those, concessions to the benefit of the colonial metropolis. Today, I think that in Africa we've developed a core of human resource that is capable of also taking advantage of some of these resources. We've developed the technology, we have the technology to be able to do whatever any of these big conglomerates are doing. And the capital is available in the world to mobilize, to be able to do the same things. And that is why recently we had a little issue which we have resolved with one of our mining companies whose lease had expired after 30 years. And it was our desire to take it over and use Ghanaian expertise to be able to also exploit that resource and let the benefits remain in our country.
Nana, President Mahama na yete ne ka no hose na nsɛn say de hyase kra nsa na takwa de no lease ni besi ye started fight we say yen starting yen ye national
takwa de da mai de esi ni da vai de nkomo ya momo 1 year bi na nkomo ye operation ne ehwe a regularize papers no benum penfo ntwem ye besre ye ru amaboa wonya kukuduro kase pase do esoje ni oba de beboa ye kro pe ene se Ghana beji ajapade nyina na edi so sabe ebu yakwase ache ye nto mra wo emra nipa na yeye na so nipa twisi samra the aircraft na ye to gold be so many over 100 years na ye ho ache ko takwa ne kono ngoni ade abobodi sabi e make sense nya sabi anim ye nchirima bedi atem se nyame ama e bibia bi na mu aka ni papa nyame ame e bibia ka kendifo papa on bebo na no ma akoye lithium ya na ka 10% ahimfowo mankasim kusukum ne wo ya ho ne ade jombe dienti wo ya hin jombe dienti oye sak sata na MPP aban ginapo peni sami ginapo omo ma ya ni ntem na mabu no honya adwumanye aso done man o kasa done man o pebia di omo ma ya ni ntem na mabu no honya adwumanye ye wo lithium achese eye mineralize ka wom no nya sase bi kwa ne nya bie ye go da manfa so amaye ne boxite ne ho koko na nya manfa so na kanye me adom ye sabi ni pafunu ye ya bofunu nyina etwa de we abeka ye ho a na ye rase akwa akotu 2008 man panikofo hu oye ye nyina de nyame ase afi de nyame aka ye budget bia na se ye ntwa oye wa Ghana ye ni bi eni nchino ye budget no determined by the oil prices of world market ye ka sanse hu na nyame mai oye ni bi ni ekotuela ya si eni mfidi de betu ya mananse ho Zimbabwe mampane o wi Mugabe ehunya sanse masase me ma me sei ene ka de chronic shafom ni akoye se 10%. Said we can say obi nkukwo hu kusu asese ntine ye fa bia na amane mu 20% ba 1 out of 5 na 10% na Ghana ne da sutu oye no eso ye hu fa so e woso ye nya hwemfrim na nyame ayadom ne aye sa fucking di we sabi na se nyame ayadom ame lithium na okoye akwa 13% oba mies Ghana ho se de nyame akrokro ya me bibia bi no ye nya akandifo papa no ya hweye de beso mam da che no e bia na de na ewuko type pass ne na akuye dealer minim ye wura mabo asadi no se ye adwuma mu ntwam Sese na me pe go go say kmenyo ohene ne din. Me bo am say awoya a lithium project. Ohene ni ho. Na so me da nyame ase. O Google.
Ohene o sa Google ni de oni mo.
O mo kai say o ya de park e be kai. Nti o mo enkai no. Sadi na so mo twem.
Nana, ya da nyame ase.
So mo twem. Na ye wuraje dem de o ka no so no. Mo nka ne sa keke. We politician. Minimum I can't say my de chance o man fanya adwuma. Wa ka bebre o man fanya adwuma. Achade ani ade o ka nyire say 2012 no kwaje sa Jibril Kanazoi 4 day. E bi afede wa sakra. Enti bi
no o me so waji 2 cars bi o de aba pool no.
Obi betu ajibi di aba na propaganda bi keke. Ye ni politicians. Ka me free akomam. Say ade o ka ye na ka me 1000 bi di amema we SK amiao 1000. Na so we de JD Mahao. What's the name of NDC? This is Obaji. Now, see, me and Chadi. Me did tell you, I can't see NDC. You was there. Achadi, a propaganda can be on my keke, and Yadi and it say a baby of money. Will be between to be a dear, a quampasso, a quampa. Will be a yes, suppose I or so as a vedanase. A quampa, yan never high. Woman, no ma. Police is a babwa, ye beji japadia, near this is a papa to home, as I say, okay. Sabani, we are politicians now trying to say. Politicians not to answer, baby, I'm a share quasi, Papa, Nin Kubia no to Kukwasi and Rabba Papa in Winnie, no way almost as Abedukum, Master that's over 15 years in it. Am I to cut in any? A politician sabato for 4. Now, you are trying to at Mata Forest. Kwa bring to a boy ho buy kakra ye de ato de ehwo kwaye ho no enne nipa bi ebowuremu e mo ma to aye predi mene oju atomata forest a apart from baby ankofo bompa ni ade nyina no ano nyina is stores nche emu enu baby asisi adan esiwo enye forest bi o nche empani fo ntwa na mo panye ya no ene de ka sa me ese wo beka na say politicians as we know them no so ntwa na mo pa bi afaso maso na Ghana maburu ene ehwese efiri ko de beka on be ye no enye we civil uprising bring no African Renaissance America ko sat biem amomo sore Jefferson Obama president wa chini nyonko president nkunu ho na
omu nyina
so omu ye bi se wa hweye na ye pa ho na no sa Traore ma o man homene so ama adidi wiase nyina no ebro South Africa faso ne agye Japan nyina ni Morocco hene akabi I was some de na emu na si wo se ye support akwa no na abibrem ensa ensore bio
Usia we nso ye de etwagu e wo Ghana ye gold nsensemu ade mu kwase ande omabu ye kwase awie enya afi na ye ni ba bete enti se John Dramani Mahama se ne o kan no obetumi ane saade a ene ebebo Ghana na okopiemu e wo abrofo ni kuromu a aya na ye wura ho se Ghana ye wo bibia bi enso hwe de Ghana aye abusia ha na mede wo besi message so be subscribe na wa share wa like senya foforo nso ebenya bi atie kete wo si enye dodo no na makra bye bye.